in free bets. Visit FanDuel.com/50free.
Island Cove Outdoor Center is your authorized Triton boats dealer in this area. Come see the new selection of Triton boats, the industry leader of high-performance bass boats, all priced right. Island Cove, your local authorized Triton and Tracker boats dealer.
The kitchen is the heart of your home. Follow your heart and fall in love with your kitchen again. At Cross Cabinets, Nancy will work with you to design and create the kitchen of your dreams. Cross Cabinets are custom built to last a lifetime. Call for a consultation today.
Welcome back. We are in the throes of Open Enrollment Month for Medicare, and we're so happy this morning to have Jane Fontana join us. She is with Medicare Misty, right?
Yes. Medicare Misty has a team of agents and brokers that are specialized in Medicare, and so there's about, I guess she has over 20 agents that can help out.
Well, you know, she's mentioned that before when she's been here on the show, so it's good to see the face of one of those 20, because one of the things that Misty just genuinely exudes, and I'm going to guess that all 20 of you do, is this true passion to help people. She loves what she does.
Yes, she does. I started working with her exclusively at Humana when all this first started, so I've known Misty a long time, and she truly does have a heart for her customers and for and I feel the same way too.
Well, so let me pick your brain a little bit,
okay?
Because you would think unschooled that signing up for Medicare is just a simple thing. You just fill out the paperwork, put your signature on the dotted line, and away you go. But the truth is, it is not quite that black and white, which is why your counsel is so important.
Yes, there are a lot of factors to be, that are involved with this, and we are trained. Oh my goodness, I think that I had to go through, feel like I'm doing it all year long. And we can look up your doctors, your prescriptions, and there's things that change every year. Like this year, there's an insulin savings program that's going to be good for the people that are diabetic, and so it's a great thing to look at your coverage every year and make sure your doctors are on there still, that your medications are covered, so we can put that in a system and look all those up and make sure that they are covered.
We all know that we live in a world that's increasingly, it feels like, becoming online driven, right? Go to this website and find what you're looking for, but especially as you get older, you have a lot of questions you want answered. So the fact that they're really getting that personal one-on-one is very important.
And we are not just with one company. We broker with all the major carriers: Blue Cross, United Healthcare, Humana, Cigna, HealthSpring. So we can put you on the best plan for you. You may have a husband and wife that don't even need to be on the same plan. And right now, if you have just retired, or thinking about retirement, we can also talk to you about your retirement and your retirement benefits, and just kind of let you know if that might be a good plan to stay on, or if you might want to go on to another plan.
Okay, explain the window of opportunity here, because I mentioned this being the open enrollment period. You don't have to be 65 right now, isn't that right? You can be about to turn 65?
Yes, if you're getting ready to turn 65, it's great to go ahead and talk to us early, because right now Social Security is having kind of a backup with people trying to get in to get appointments, and they're not doing a lot of appointments in person, so you need to call, and we can also walk you through that. So you have 3 months before you turn 65, the month of, and 3 months after.
Okay, so how is all that working in this COVID world? People still need to sit literally face to face with you, or can they do it virtually if they're more comfortable?
Yes, they can do it virtually. All the companies have set up a way that we can do this through email, through telephone, just any way that you want to do this, and you feel comfortable, then we will honor that, and we'll do what you want to do.
Okay, what if you have had Medicare for a while, and let's pretend that you're 77? Do you need to still go through this and ask questions of you every year?
Yes, it's a good thing to do that, because like I said, a lot of things change, and a lot of times, mostly for the better. They're adding new benefits each year, like more dental, more vision. So it's a good thing to know that you can look through all this and just kind of see what your benefits are and what they have to offer for you.
When you sign up, is it like a typical healthcare plan at your employer, with your employer, that once you've signed up, that's what you have for the year, or can you make changes?
Most of the time, if you pick a Medicare Advantage plan or a prescription drug plan, you are going to be on that plan for that year until the next open enrollment.
Which is why you want to get all your questions asked and answered.
Yes. And if you're on a supplement, we do supplements also. You can switch that during the year. It's not as set in stone as the Medicare Advantage plans are.
Okay, so you mentioned the 20 plus representatives, people like you who can help people with this along with Misty. So she has laughed before and said to a large degree her car is her office.
Yeah.
So because you are willing to go to people's homes if they want that, is that right?
Yes. And we can, like I said, we can do it. I can go ahead and have the paper application filled out. Just run in and have you sign it. We can do DocuSign. There's all different kinds of ways if you don't feel comfortable meeting with someone in person that we can, we can help you out. And we do not charge anything for our services.
Really?
No, we get paid from the insurance carriers when and if someone does buy something. So all of our research and our, whatever we do for you is at no charge.
Okay, so it all begins, I guess, with a phone call, and your phone number changed recently.
It did. Our new number is 423-777-5577.
That's easy to remember.
So, yes.
Website is still the same.
It's still the same. We are all independent brokers, but we work together as a team. So, most of us have our own websites too, but it's best to just kind of, Misty's our face of the Medicare Misty team.
Gotcha. So. Okay, so it's nice to meet another one of those faces. Jane Fontana, thank you so much.
Thank you, Julie.
And the open enrollment period ends when?
You have until December the 7th, so you still have some time. We are at different locations with Walgreens, Walmarts. We have an office on Jordan Drive, so if you need to stop by and see us at some of those locations, we're there too. We're not as much this year as we were because of COVID, but we are still there.
All right, there's all the information you need. Don't let the open enrollment period pass you by. Jane, thanks so much again for your time.
Thank you, Julie.
We're back.